Greetings and salutations, you lovely degenerates, and welcome back to the Fuzzy Wallflower. We explore weird and forgotten drinks and other related niceties. I am your host, Corey. So I came across this more modern bartending book on Amazon called 3-Ingredient Cocktail. It's good if you don't want to have a huge bar, and they're real simple stuff. But a lot of just more typical and traditional things that I haven't really been touching on too much. But there was one in here that I wanted to kind of touch on. It's called a Kangaroo. It's essentially a martini, but it's not, because it's got orange bitters. And a couple episodes back, we did pecan pie martinis, which I was like, well, they're not really martinis per se, but it sounds good. And even this one has said, martini purists would have been saved so much aggravation over the last half century if lovers of vodka martinis had just stuck to one of the drink's original names, a Kangaroo. So yes, so they're basically saying vodka martinis are not martinis, they're a Kangaroo, but somewhere along the line everybody just grouped them together, and that's what they are. I'm sure if you'll order a Kangaroo, they're probably not going to know what you're talking about, but that's all good. But let's try it just to see how it tastes. Anyway, I'm not a bartender, and do not take any of this bartending advice. And let's make a cocktail. Okay, like I said, we don't get to do too many stirred drinks, so it's kind of nice to keep practicing my stirring technique. Like I said, this is basically a vodka martini with orange bitters in it. So we're going to start off. It's got 2 1/4 ounces of vodka. 3/4 of an ounce of dry vermouth. And a couple dashes of orange bitters. And I guess it's stirring time. I don't have the same ring as shaking time, but we're getting there. We're getting better. We're getting better. Come on, get chill. Oh man, I'm getting somewhat better. And where's my strainer? Yeah, we have a strainer. And since we're not being martini purists, we're not using a martini glass. I'm just typical Nick and Nora. And it says lemon twist. Okay, it said express a twist. Express and drop it in there. Alright. One of these days I might have to get a real bartender to teach me how to do some of that fancy smashy stuff. But alright, let's see what a Kangaroo tastes like. Yeah, vodka martini. Surprise, surprise! No, but I do think it's a nice little bit of trivia, so if you want to start messing with your friends, if they order a vodka martini and tell them it's actually a Kangaroo, I think you're well within your rights to do that. But yeah, it's nice and dry. Get a hint of that orange and a hint of that lemon. Yeah, it's alright. I mean, you had vodka martinis, you know what it tastes like. Well, guys and gals, you know what to do. Until next time, cheers.